My name's Alan Dundas. I work for a company called the Raw Group up in Inverness. We cover the Highlands and Islands and the Aberdeenshire area in this part of the world. We're mainly an oil spill pollution clean-up company. We deal with, mainly in this area, domestic oil spills, insurance work and any contamination that may come into play, we clean it up. We've been up in the Inverness area for approximately 3 years and we've been steadily growing ever since. We have used Pat Munro pretty much since we moved into Inverness. They were one of the first companies we got in touch with, and we've been using them consistently ever since. We cover a huge area geographically, anywhere across the north of Scotland, Highlands, Islands, anywhere, you name it, we go. Pat Munro have done work for us pretty much throughout the whole area. Our response times, we aim to be on site in at least 24 hours, sometimes emergency jobs within a couple of hours. That could mean us getting plant equipment, removing contaminated soils straight away, and that would also involve skips to hold the material. That's when Pat Munro come in. They do help me out. I do phone them with some emergency jobs, and they come in nice and quick for me. We try and avoid landfill as much as possible. One is the huge cost taking material to landfill. Secondly, we want a sustainable solution. We are an environmental company, so we don't want to be filling the earth with contaminated rubbish. We look to remediate and clean up as much as possible. Pat Munro do a lot of movement of our materials down to a treatment centre in Falkirk. We deal with a number of different waste streams in our company, mainly contaminated soils, but it can be anything from wood to plasterboard to even hazardous materials, asbestos. So the benefit of using Pat Munro as a company is they have a wagon and drag facility, which means we can take 2 or 3 different waste streams down the road at one time. This saves us a lot of money in transport costs. It also reduces massively our carbon footprint. So another great thing about Pat Munro is they have fully trained ADR drivers. This means we've got a full backup of all their details. When we pass our information to our client, when we prove where the waste stream has come from and it's moved to, we have got full documents from Pat Munro. The reason for using Pat Munro is they are a large company. They cover the same geographical areas we use, but you also get the personal touch, whereas I can phone Veronica directly and she will know every project that we are dealing with. I rate Pat Munro's performance very highly. They're very amenable. I give them a lot of pressure, hard jobs to deal with, and they do it very well for me. They fit me in well.